Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and move from Goodnotes 5 to the new Goodnotes application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Goodnotes application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Goodnotes, find application and install it. So if you have installed it this way, you have probably installed the newest Goodnotes application and you are no longer using Goodnotes 5. But if you already have Goodnotes 5 opened up and downloaded, then what we're going to do is follow the following steps. The steps that you'll need to do to upgrade the application to Goodnotes 6 is to go ahead and first back up your files. You want to back up your notes with Goodnotes 5 settings to prevent data loss. You can go into the settings option right here in the upper right corner and then manage your backups and cloud. From there we can get started updating the application. So you can open up the Apple App Store and update to the latest version of Goodnotes by finding the application like I explained at the beginning of the video and searching for Goodnotes and then clicking the update button. Once you have upgraded, you can launch the application, navigate to the library view and tap the 6 icon in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to use Goodnotes 6. From there, just log into your account normally and you're going to be transferred to the newest version of the application, which is Goodnotes 6, and just like that you can get started using and finding all your settings in the upper right corner, restoring backups and so on, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.